Hello and welcome. You're watching Filmy Beat and I'm Pooja Sachdeva. Bollywood superstar Amitabh Bachchan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Vidya Balan starrer Teen is all set to release on 10th June. With less than 2 weeks left for the film to be released, Teen's music launch was held earlier on Friday. The function saw Amitabh Bachchan, director Ribudas Gupta, music director Clinton Cirejo and lyricist Amitabh Bhattacharya in attendance. Vishal Dadlani's live performance and Bachchan Sahab's witty answers made the launch even more interesting. Amitabh Bachchan has sung one song for the film, Kyun Re, and the legend really thought he sang Besura at the first place. Want to know why? Have a look.
I don't like singing in front of everybody because I'm very self-conscious. So I go to a studio which I'm familiar with, the late Adesh Srivastava's studio. And I go there and I quietly sit with the recordist who knows me. And I just, with the help of some friendly musicians, I do an impromptu singing. And that's what I told them. So I asked them to send the Pro Tools and everything to me, the session to the recording, and I'll record it and send it back. So I did record the song and it went to them. And it was destroyed because they said it's rubbish, you have to do it again. And so then Clinton said, and Ribu kept saying, we'll bring Clinton there. I said, no, don't bring him. If you bring him there, I won't be able to do anything. Eventually, I succumbed to this pressure, or Clinton came to the thing, and he literally sat 6 inches away from me. And he starts singing. So when you have, somebody that you're trying to avoid sitting in front of you and directing you how to sing and telling you this is not right, you have to do it again. And just forget where you are and forget what you're doing. Just be as close to the mic as possible. These are very frightening thoughts, for somebody who's a non-singer. But somehow we got it. I thought it was terrible, but Clinton said, sir, don't worry. Yeah, you think it's terrible, but when I go and I work on my machine, it's going to sound okay. So what you've heard is a machine version, and is Clinton's version. It's not what I sang. So I sang very besura. While he's listening to this absolutely rubbish kind of singing that is coming from me, he actually, morale boost karne ke liye, he said, Mr. Bachchan, I have to tell you, you have the fantastic sense of music and you're doing great. No other singer has done the way you're doing it. I mean, this is a lot of rubbish in front of me, but I know what he's saying and what he's trying to do, but it's just to keep you encouraged to keep going. Thank you, Clinton, for all the encouragement, just the moral support.
Well, we all know Mr. Bachchan is just being modest and his voice is still enough to give us goosebumps. What say? That's all for now, but don't forget to click that button for more such videos. You were watching Filmy Beat. Take care.